Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 8, video 1. So this week what we're going to be doing is continuing our instruction, our unit on training, how to make sure your training resources and services support all of your learners, and they're effective, they're well designed, they address AODA, they incorporate universal design for learning strategies to make sure they're accessible. So we're going to continue that, and we're also going to, by looking at learning preferences and learning about how you want to make sure your resources support different people's learning preferences. Then we'll look at some best practices for video tutorials, which would be an asynchronous type of resource or service that you might offer, and some best practices for help desk interview skills. And then we'll do, if you come to class, our meeting this week, we'll look at we'll do a synchronous help desk activity where you'll actually have an opportunity to pretend you're an IT help desk support person and provide some service. For homework, I just want you to finish up that training reflection. So take a few minutes and maybe pause the video here and try to find instructions on how you back up your iPhone. And as you're looking for instructions, think about why you're clicking on some links to use the resource and find one, or why you reject some, why you go, oh, I don't like, that one doesn't look good. Okay, so think about why you select them. So what I'm trying to get you to see that in addition to thinking about AODA, developmental learning disorders, mental health challenges, we also want to ensure that the services and resources meet the learning preferences of our clients. And some people prefer to learn visually, some people prefer to learn by listening, and some people like to actually do things hands-on and have the materials in their hands and do the task so that they can learn how to do things, learn by doing. Okay, so this is the end of video 1, and it's just a reminder of what we're doing this week and to be thinking about learning preferences, one more thing to consider when you're designing resources for training.